My friend asked me to build them a Squatty Potty out of wood. Now you may be wondering, what's a Squatty Potty? Well, I have no idea, so we're gonna look it up. So it looks like it's just a couple boards basically to form a stool that they can use when they go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna try to make that out of one 2x6 that I got from Home Depot for about $8. I'm also doing a giveaway in one of my upcoming videos. In that video, I'm building my sister a countertop for the laundry room so that her and my brother can put their dog food off of the floor. I bought some tools specifically for that project to show that you don't need all of these tools to be able to build something that works. But for this weekend, let's see what we can do for my friend. Okay,